Welcome to Quantum Secrets. Shape your reality. What if the universe held the key to turning your wildest dreams into reality? In this video, we're diving into the mind-blowing world of quantum physics, a science that might just help you manifest your deepest desires. From UFO-like possibilities to the power of your thoughts, let's explore how you can shape your reality. Starting now. So what is quantum physics? It's the science that studies matter and energy at their most fundamental levels, revealing phenomena that classical physics simply can't explain. Think wave-particle duality, where particles act like waves, and quantum entanglement, where particles are instantly connected across vast distances. It's a mind-bending field that's reshaping how we understand the universe, and it's the key to unlocking the secrets we'll explore next. Let's break down the key principles of quantum mechanics. First, there's superposition. Particles can exist in multiple states at once, like light passing through a prism, revealing a spectrum of possibilities. Then, there's uncertainty. We can't know everything about a particle, like its position and momentum, with perfect precision. These ideas challenge our traditional view of reality, opening the door to a universe where your thoughts might play a bigger role than you think. Now, let's explore the importance of perception in quantum reality. In the quantum realm, observation plays a critical role, influencing particle behavior and outcomes. This suggests something incredible. Your perception might actively shape reality. Imagine your thoughts and focus as a cosmic force, guiding the universe toward your dreams. This raises profound questions about consciousness and existence, questions that could change how you see the world. Let's dive into the law of attraction, a powerful idea tied to quantum principles. It says that by focusing on positive thoughts and visualizing your goals, you could draw similar energies into your reality. Imagine your dreams as a bright light, pulling in the opportunities you need to make them real. This is how you can manifest your desires effectively, starting with the power of your mind. Here's the science behind manifestation. It's grounded in quantum mechanics, specifically the observer effect. This principle shows that consciousness can influence physical reality. Just by observing, we change what happens. This means your thoughts don't just reflect reality, they can shape it. By focusing your mind, you're not only seeing the world differently, you're actively shaping your experiences and outcomes. That's the power of manifestation at work. Ready to manifest your dreams? Here are some powerful techniques. Start with visualization. Picture your goals as vividly as if they're already real. Use affirmations to reinforce your intentions with positive statements. And keep your energy high by maintaining a high vibrational frequency. Think joy, gratitude, and love. By practicing these methods regularly, you align your mind and energy with your desired outcomes, making your dreams more likely to come true. How do thoughts influence reality? Quantum physics reveals that our thoughts have a direct impact on the fabric of reality. When we focus our mental energy on a desire, we create a wave of potential that can manifest into physical outcomes. This aligns with the law of attraction. Your focused thoughts send out vibrations, drawing in the experiences and opportunities you seek. Your mind is a powerful tool for shaping the universe. Finally, let's talk about aligning intentions with quantum choices. In quantum physics, your conscious choices can shape reality. By understanding this, you can direct your intentions to create a powerful alignment with the universe. Focus on what you truly want, make deliberate choices, and watch how this clarity enhances your ability to attract your desired outcomes. It's all about choosing your path with intention, and the universe will respond. Next, let's explore the role of energy and vibration. Everything in the universe is made of energy, vibrating at specific frequencies, including your emotions and thoughts. When you emit positive vibrations like joy or gratitude, you resonate with the quantum field, attracting similar energy into your life. This is how you influence what you manifest. Your energy shapes the reality you experience, drawing in the outcomes you desire. To make manifestation a part of your life, try these daily practices. Incorporate meditation and visualization into your routine to align your thoughts with your desires. Picture your dreams as if they're already real. Practices like journaling can help shift your energy and mindset, keeping you focused on positivity. These habits actively influence the quantum field, bringing you closer to the reality you want to create. Does this really work? Let's look at success stories and case studies. Individuals across various fields have reported life-changing results after applying quantum principles. For instance, many entrepreneurs credit their success to focusing their intentions and aligning their belief systems with their goals. By using these techniques, they've transformed their lives, proving that you, too, can shape your reality with the power of quantum manifestation. Manifestation isn't always easy. Let's talk about overcoming common challenges. Many face obstacles like self-doubt, disbelief, or a lack of clarity in their intentions. The key is consistent self-reflection. Take time to identify and adjust your limiting beliefs. By clearing these mental blocks, you'll create a smoother path for manifestation, allowing your energy to flow freely and align with the reality you want to create.